Hi everybody, it's Kenyatta. I finally made it home. It is about 11:45 p.m. and I'm going to show you all my finished painting. Ta-da! What do you guys think? This is my very first painting I ever did. I could have outlined this a little bit more black though. I didn't really recognize it till I got home. But other than that, I did a good job. And you see I signed it. That was so fun. That was a nice place. I will be going back. And again, the name of it is Sip and Strokes. So you basically sipping on wine and stroking the painting. But it was fun. It was a nice experience. Went there with my friend. It was her birthday, so it was fun. Alright, tell me what you guys think. Put it down in the comments. Let me know. Be honest and nice. Alright, talk to you guys later. I'm going to bed. Bye.